The world has come a long way from the days of the old Silk Road. Industrial revolutions have changed the way we live and work. The global trade network as we know it has been built on the flow of commodities between nations. Since the early days of our human story, trade has defined every part of our lives. We have traded resources, raw materials, and goods. It's only recently that everything changed.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper.
People using the system are excited about its potential.
The internet is a system of thousands, maybe millions of computers all over the world. You have a favorite location on the internet?
Computer technology has been moving in a way that nothing else people have ever known, and the switch to digital communication technology, aided and abetted by satellites, is doing something pretty good for communication.
But this would be more than just pretty good. The advent of the internet has changed our world and is rewriting the rules of trade as we know it. We're no longer just trading in commodities and goods. Access to services enabled by the internet has created a digital transformation, where geography is no longer a barrier to our communication or our services. Global value chains have always been dependent on the physical, material goods that we can see, hold, and feel. Today, we have digital global value chains, where we trade in services, intellectual property, and the abstract. A new world has emerged in the wake of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. And in order to harness the power of Industry 4.0, we must go global by going local. And at the heart of the global digital transformation is an unlikely hero, the SMEs, small to medium-sized enterprises.